Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank. Hello, friends. Welcome to back my channel, BGR tutorial point, and my word channel is the Tech Dude 8481. Today topic is the Excel VLOOKUP functions. Now I will first explain this screen recording. After that I will practically show you another video. The first VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function is a pyramid function is the Excel which allows search access of the column. This type first VLOOKUP open your Excel sheet and the type a VLOOKUP and has the following pattern. Then after that we look up underscore value comma table or column plus underscore index underscore number and lower bracket open range underscore we look up. This is the one type of formula. Observe this formula. Mainly the column which hold data use look up must always be left. The Note the different function symbols like a common, comma, or semicolon. The symbol depend on your language settings. First, VLOOKUP value selected search value will be entered the table array. The table range including all cells table. The first one example table is there. This is the one example table is there. The total rows are there and columns also there. This the data which is we look up this input of the column count of the left. This is the range true of number is 1. This is the or false it is exit 0. This one exit 0. The both 1 under by 0 and true and false can be range lookup. How use we look up functions first? Select cell H4. What is the H4 cell? You observe this. Select this H4 cell. You observe this in this table. The H4 cell 1, 2, 3 and select H4 cell. And after that type VLOOKUP. Then after that we type this VLOOKUP. What happened next? This VLOOKUP value value and semicolon table underscore array semicolon index underscore number and flower bracket begin range underscore lookup and close bracket. This is the function. After that this select H3. What is the H3 box is there? Select H3. This is H3 box. Select as a lookup value is the select where queries enter the case Pokemon's ID. This select H3. This one. The VLOOKUP and bracket open VLOOKUP underscore value semicolon table underscore array semicolon column and index underscore number semicolon flower bracket begin this formula range and lookups this. After that is another step is starting with the same parameters is the you can select VLOOKUP H3 and first one is the starting in our example table is the A colon. The last one is the E columns. This is the E column E21. This is the 21 rows. This is 21 rows are there. This is the 5 columns are there. That's why you take this box H box, and we look up and bracket begin H3 semicolon first A2 means A2. This one is the starting value A2. Is that why type A2 and semicolon, and after that this is the E21. This is the total data box is selected. You observe this. Next version. The range of this table mark table underscore array in the example A2 semicolon E21. The total data tables are selected. This is the formula is given by this. The formula is VLOOKUP bracket begin H3 and semicolon A2 semicolon E21 semicolon 2. This is the formula is downwards is the VLOOKUP and bracket bring VLOOKUP underscore value semicolon table underscore array underscore call and index number range lookup. This is the number 2 is the entire column index numbers in second column on this data being lookup. You observe this. The formula, this is the second column. This is the formula is there. After that, a illustration selected column underscore index and numbers. You selected this column B column total. This second one. Okay, the so next is the one. You can select and next is the one. After that, function return the not applied values because have not been entered the value to this search ID H3. That's why not applied value is coming. This box, you observe this H4. This let us feed value. It is the H3 into 7. What is the 7? The value is the 7 is this one. The fire flying is this is the 7. Name is what are the that particular name is the, you observe this name is coming. You observe this name is coming. We have a lookup, that is we lookup. Have a lookup function. This has successful found Pokemon quickly, which has to the ID ash 7 number. You observe this 7 number is still working. The function return chamber of this as far as is ID, that is the target.